Welcome to Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about something simple, relaxing, and very useful for English practice daily life routines. Everyone has a daily routine. We all wake up, eat, work, study, relax, and sleep. And talking about daily life is one of the best ways to practice English speaking. So today we will learn easy English while talking about a normal day from morning to night. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Imagine the morning. The alarm clock rings. Some people wake up quickly. Other people press the snooze button again and again. Maybe you are a morning person. Or maybe mornings are difficult for you. Many people start their day with coffee or tea. A warm drink in the morning feels calm and comfortable. Some people like strong black coffee. Others like coffee with milk and sugar. After waking up, people usually check their phones, open the window, or sit quietly for a few minutes. Then comes breakfast. Some people eat a big breakfast with eggs, bread, and fruit. Others only eat toast or a banana because they are in a hurry. After breakfast, it is time to get ready for the day. People take a shower, brush their teeth, choose clothes, and prepare for work or school. Sometimes choosing clothes is difficult. Many people stand in front of the closet and think, I have so many clothes, but nothing to wear. Then comes transportation. Some people drive to work. Some take the bus or train. Others walk or ride a bike. Traffic can be stressful. Buses can be crowded. But listening to music or podcasts can make the trip more relaxing. When people arrive at work or school, the busy part of the day begins. Many people start by checking emails or messages. Some have meetings. Some talk to customers. Some study in classes. Work can feel long sometimes, especially in the afternoon. Around 3 o'clock, many people start feeling sleepy. Some drink more coffee. Others eat a small snack like fruit or cookies. Finally, the workday ends. People go home feeling tired but happy to relax. When they arrive home, many people change into comfortable clothes. Some people have pets waiting for them. Dogs jump happily. Cats quietly ask for food. Then comes dinner time. Some people enjoy cooking. They play music while making pasta, soup, rice, or vegetables. Other people prefer simple meals or order food from a restaurant. After dinner, people usually relax. Some watch movies or TV shows. Some read books. Some go for a walk at night. Night walks can feel peaceful and quiet. The air feels cooler and the streets become calmer. Finally, it is time for sleep. Some people sleep early at 10 o'clock. Others stay awake until midnight watching videos or using their phones. And then the next morning begins again. Daily routines may seem simple, but they are an important part of life. And talking about your daily routine in English is excellent speaking practice. Now think about your own day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you drive, walk, or take the bus? What do you like to do after work or school? Try answering these questions out loud in English. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Simple sentences are enough. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Thank you for listening to Easy English channel. Keep practicing every day, keep learning step by step, and most importantly, enjoy the process. See you in the next lesson. Make it more advanced with human tone 2-hour video. Welcome to Easy English channel. I'm really happy you're here today. Find a comfortable place, relax your mind, maybe make yourself a cup of coffee or tea, and spend some quiet time practicing English with me. Today's lesson is going to feel different. We are not going to study difficult grammar rules or memorize long vocabulary lists. Instead, we are simply going to talk slowly, naturally, and clearly about everyday life, about routines, habits, thoughts, feelings. Because real English is not only about textbooks. Real English lives in ordinary conversations. It lives in morning coffee, crowded buses, late-night thoughts, grocery stores, work stress, quiet walks, and peaceful weekends. And the more you can speak about normal life naturally, the more fluent you become. So today, imagine we are sitting together in a calm room, having a long conversation in English. No pressure, no fear. Just listening, learning, and improving step by step. Let's begin with the beginning of every day. The morning. Mornings are interesting because people experience them very differently. Some people wake up before the sun rises. They enjoy silence, fresh air, and slow, peaceful mornings. Other people wake up feeling confused, tired, and slightly angry at the sound of the alarm clock. Maybe you are one of those people. Sometimes the alarm feels less like a helpful tool and more like an enemy. You hear the sound, beep, 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 and immediately your brain starts negotiating. 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes become 10, then 15. Suddenly you open your eyes and realize you are late. Many people begin their day this way, rushing, searching for clothes, looking for keys, trying to wake up mentally while already starting the day physically. And honestly, modern life often feels like that. Fast, busy, loud. That is why many people try to create calmer mornings. Some people avoid checking their phones immediately after waking up. Instead, they open the window, stretch their body, drink water slowly, sit quietly for a few minutes. It sounds simple, but small peaceful habits can completely change the feeling of a day. Personally, I think mornings affect our emotions more than we realize. If the first hour of the day feels stressful, the entire day often feels heavier. But when the morning feels calm, the mind also feels calmer. Of course, not everyone has enough time for slow mornings. Many people wake up early for work. Parents prepare children for school. Students rush to classes. Workers travel long distances every day. Life responsibilities do not always allow peaceful mornings. Still, even one quiet minute matters. Even drinking coffee slowly for 2 minutes can help. Speaking of coffee is almost part of human culture now. For some people, coffee is not just a drink. It is an emotional experience. The smell, the warmth, the first sip in the morning. Some people like strong black coffee. Others prefer sweet coffee with milk. Some people love expensive coffee shops. Others enjoy simple homemade coffee in silence. And tea lovers will probably say tea is better. Honestly, both feel comforting in different ways. Morning drinks often become part of our identity. People even describe themselves through their habits. I can't function without coffee. I only drink tea. I need iced coffee every morning. These little sentences may sound small, but they create natural conversations in English. And natural conversations are exactly what helps fluency grow. After waking up and having breakfast, most people prepare for work or school. And this part of the day is usually less peaceful. People search for clothes, iron shirts, pack bags, answer messages, and check the time repeatedly. Sometimes choosing clothes becomes strangely difficult. You stand in front of a closet full of clothes and somehow still think, I have nothing to wear. Almost everyone experiences this feeling, especially before important meetings, events, or interviews. Clothing affects confidence more than many people admit. When people feel comfortable in what they wear, they often feel more relaxed socially. And confidence changes communication. Even language learning changes when confidence changes. Many English learners actually know more English than they think. The real problem is not vocabulary. The real problem is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of embarrassment. But mistakes are completely normal. Every fluent speaker once spoke badly. Every confident person once felt nervous. Progress always begins with uncomfortable practice. That is true for language learning, public speaking, sports, business, almost everything in life. Now, let's continue with transportation. The journey to work or school can deeply affect mood. Some people drive through heavy traffic every morning. Others stand inside crowded buses or trains. Some people spend 2 or 3 hours traveling every day. Imagine how exhausting that can feel. Long transportation affects energy, patience, and mental health. But many people also create small peaceful moments during travel. Listening to music, podcasts, audiobooks, language lessons. Some people even use transportation time to study English every day. And honestly, that is very smart. Small daily practice becomes powerful over time. 20 minutes every day may not feel important today, but after 1 year, it becomes hundreds of hours. That is how real improvement happens. Slowly, quietly, consistently. Now, let's talk about work life. Work means different things to different people. Some people truly enjoy their jobs. Others work mainly for survival. Some work in offices. Some work outdoors. Some work online from home. Modern work culture has changed a lot. Many people spend entire days in front of screens now. Emails, meetings, notifications, video calls. Sometimes people feel mentally exhausted even without physical activity. And one of the biggest modern problems is constant mental noise. The brain rarely rests. Even during breaks, people check phones. Even during meals, notifications continue. Many people feel busy all day but emotionally disconnected from themselves. That is why simple habits like walking, exercising, reading, or spending quiet time alone are becoming more important. People are starting to realize productivity is not everything. Rest also matters. Mental peace matters. Health matters. Human connection matters. And honestly, language learning becomes easier when the mind feels calmer. Stress blocks communication. Relaxation improves communication. That is why slow English practice can be powerful. When learners stop trying to be perfect, they often speak more naturally. Now, let's move to lunch breaks. Lunch breaks are interesting because they reveal lifestyle differences. Some people bring homemade food from home. Others buy fast food because they are too busy to cook. Some people eat alone while watching videos. Others eat with coworkers and talk together. In many workplaces, lunch is the only truly social part of the day. People discuss work stress, family, news, movies, travel, and life problems. And casual conversations like these are excellent for English practice. Because daily English is usually simple. Real conversations are not academic speeches. People talk about food, sleep, traffic, weather, stress, weekend plans. Fluency grows from these ordinary topics first, not from complicated vocabulary. In fact, many advanced learners still struggle with basic casual conversation because they only studied formal English. That is why relaxed listening practice matters so much. Now, let's talk about evenings. Evenings feel emotionally different from mornings. Mornings feel like beginnings. Evenings feel like release. People return home tired. Some feel satisfied. Some feel drained. Many people immediately change into comfortable clothes after work. That small action feels symbolic. The workday is over. Now the body can finally relax. Some people cook dinner while listening to music. Others order food because they are too tired to cook. Cooking itself can feel very different depending on the person. For some people, cooking is relaxing and creative. For others, it feels stressful and exhausting. And honestly, cooking in English is also great vocabulary practice. Cut vegetables, boil water, fry eggs, bake bread, wash dishes. Daily activities contain useful English everywhere. After dinner, people usually search for comfort. Some watch movies. Some play games. Some call friends. Some scroll through social media for hours without realizing how much time passed. Modern technology changed evenings completely. Years ago, evenings were quieter. Now many people spend late nights looking at screens. And unfortunately, endless scrolling often creates mental exhaustion instead of relaxation. People compare themselves to others constantly online. And comparison quietly steals happiness. That is why many people now try to disconnect sometimes. Reading books, walking outside, journaling, meditation, quiet hobbies. Simple, peaceful activities help people reconnect with themselves. And honestly, silence is becoming rare in modern life. Many people are always surrounded by noise. Music, videos, notifications, conversations. Sometimes silence feels uncomfortable simply because people are no longer used to it. But silence can also feel healing, especially after long, stressful days. Now, let's talk about nighttime thoughts. Night is often when people think deeply. During busy days, the mind stays distracted. But at night, thoughts become louder. People think about their future, their regrets, their goals, Their relationships. Some people feel motivated at night. Others feel lonely. Nighttime emotions are powerful because everything becomes quieter. And many people actually dream about changing their lives. Learning English, traveling abroad, finding better opportunities, building confidence, starting businesses, creating healthier habits. Dreams matter, but dreams only grow when action follows. Even small actions matter. One English lesson, one page of reading, one conversation, one new sentence learned today. Small progress is still progress. Many learners quit because improvement feels slow. But language learning is not a straight line. Some days feel amazing. Other days feel frustrating. That is normal. The important thing is consistency, not perfection. Consistency always wins in the end. And remember something important. You do not need to sound like a native speaker to communicate beautifully. You only need clarity, confidence, and practice. Your accent is not your enemy. Mistakes are not your enemy. Fear is the real enemy. And confidence grows through repetition. The more you listen, the more familiar English becomes. The more familiar English becomes, the less fear controls you. That is why long listening practice is powerful. Your brain slowly adapts to rhythm, pronunciation, vocabulary, and sentence structure naturally, almost like a child learning language through exposure. So, while listening today, do not pressure yourself to understand every single word perfectly. Just relax. Listen to the rhythm. Notice the patterns. Allow your brain to absorb naturally. Over time, your understanding will grow more and more. And one day you will suddenly realize something surprising. English no longer feels foreign. It begins to feel familiar, comfortable, natural. And that moment is incredibly rewarding. Thank you for spending this time with Easy English Channel. You are improving step by step, even when progress feels invisible. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep speaking without fear. And most importantly, never stop learning.